All right, y'all. Good mid-morning. Welcome to the channel. We're gonna try this spot here in a few minutes. I haven't been here in a long time. Easy down. I ain't worried about no snake this morning. If you find one this morning where I'm at, you like to use them, you can use it for a walking stick. I would imagine. We can lean that up right there. I'm gonna start off with this culprit pumpkin seed worm. Now the reel that I'm using on this rod is a Ozark Trail. It's like a 2500 series. I got it at Walmart. I think it was 15 bucks. Got a real good drag on it. The rod is a Shakespeare medium action. 7 foot. And I got 20-pound braid on here with a 17-pound leader, and I got all that hooked together with a GT knot. But anyway, let's get started here and see can we find one. The other reel I use basically the same setup. Everything's the same except it's a loose reel. XS30A model. They set up the same way. Cold in these woods this morning. I'm probably before long gonna have to quit fishing this spot because deer season's about to come in full blast, and I am on somebody's hunting club right here, a hunting lease, whatever you want to call it. May be too cold for them to bite. Go back in and try that other little hole that I can get to pretty easy and see what we can make happen. This other setup I got is the same rod, same line. They just got a loose reel on there. Now I'll tell y'all something about that little reel right there. I love it. It's a good reel. It's really got a good drag on it. Dang, there must have been some bad wind in here. Got limbs blowed over my trail there. I gotta go around this way. Beautiful in this swamp. Normally in the springtime and all, I catch a lot of warmouth in this hole right here. I mean, a bunch of them. I believe that old temperature gonna get on down there good tonight too. If I pull out through that treetop without getting hung up, it'll surprise me. And I did. Oh, that wind's whooping it up. Let me try one more cast. I'm gonna try to get it right over yonder. Right there. That's where I want it. right, y'all. On the way in, we're gonna stop by Pmon Creek and give it a try there. When we get there, we'll be back with y'all. Y'all just give me just a second. All right, y'all, we made it over here to Pmon Creek. Easy down here and see if we want to bite. I don't know. Fishing's got a little tough right now for me. I'm in a slump. Well, I tell you one thing, the weather's in the middle of changing over. I mean, and that's got a lot to do with game moving, fish biting, and all that. I mean, it does. You can't make me believe that it don't, because I know it does. Anyway, just like I said a while ago, this reel and rod setup is just like the other one. Same rod, just a different reel, but same size reel, but it's a loose reel. This 20-pound braid I got on here, it's made by Reaction Tackle. I've had good luck with that. Alrighty, let's ease up here. I better tighten that drag up. I may have to drag one out of here maybe. It would be nice. It would be real nice. I can tell you one thing, that braided line's hard to handle in wind. These these rods are not all that expensive. I think it's $23 at Walmart. But they're good rods, I mean, for the price. All right, y'all. We're gonna try to climb up this bank and try it on the other side. I ain't got my stick with me. It's on the back of the truck. I didn't bring it because I didn't figure I'd see no snake. Tell you what to do, let me go up right here. It looks a little easier where I used to come down. I can kind of go up sideways. There's where deer have been down through here. Oh. We can get a couple of calves right up here. If I hook into one, I like to drag him up. Look like somebody run over an old possum right there. One more calf. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all watching it. We had a pretty good cold snap last night. It's gonna get supposed to be real cold this weekend. It's still cold right now to me. I mean, but like I said, I appreciate y'all watching these old videos. Be the reeling redneck. It's gonna pick up. Y'all just stick with me. I promise. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Everybody have a good day.